Have you ever wondered what happens to those half-used hotel soaps after you check out? Incinerated as part of hotel's rubbish? Discarded to landfills? But did you know that these soaps can actually be reproduced and redistributed to millions of people worldwide gaining access to basic hygiene? Can you believe that all of this was started by David, the course coordinator of the Impact Lab, with a group of HKU students in the year 2012? So how do we make things possible in this course? By working directly for social ventures from various fields, ranging from technologies and sustainable development to arts and ethnic minority groups, you can solve real-life problems and gain hands-on business experience in either Hong Kong or abroad in other countries. To get you prepared for real-life work, you will be participating in seminars and workshops about business management and service leadership, such as design thinking and risk management, etc. Throughout the course, you will have an opportunity to connect with leaders and alumni from different industries and backgrounds at our events. No matter your interest or skill set, there will be opportunities to turn your own ideas into projects or companies here at the Impact Lab. So, are you ready to solve the world's most challenging issues? Enroll in the Impact Lab course now.